Breaking details about the 21-year-old man arrested at Penn State
Online
synagogue in New York City.
It seems like every minute of the day we're bombarded with news and information from all around us. In a study from 2012 on information consumption, researchers estimated that the average person on the average day takes in around 34 gigabytes of data, which is over 100,000 words. And each day, the amount of data generated on the internet reaches a staggering amount. In such an environment, information overload, defined by the Cambridge Dictionary as a situation in which you receive too much information at one time and cannot think about it in a clear way, seems unavoidable. The internet has become our primary source for communication, entertainment, and increasingly, the news and information we use to navigate our busy, complex lives. According to a Pew Research Center survey conducted in March of 2021, more than 30% of American adults report that they are constantly online, while another 48% report being online several times a day. In all, a whopping 85% of Americans spend a significant portion of their lives connected to the World Wide Web. In a related 2022 study, Pew found that many Americans further report that they use social media as their source for news. 50% of respondents indicated that they got their news from social media at least sometimes. Adding to the chaos of too much information in an intricately connected online world where information can travel literally at the speed of light, we must further consider the element of disinformation and misinformation that gets propagated and amplified all too easily by both intentional and unwitting agents. How do we know what information is true? How can we avoid getting fooled by online news that seemingly looks legitimate but is designed to deceive? This tutorial will introduce you to strategies that you can put to use to help you become a savvy consumer of online information. So let's get started.